My name is Thomas Warirah. I am the finance and accounting expert at the Sandbox. I am part of the capital engine, which ensures that businesses are well funded. They are able to take care of the resources that they have to achieve the objectives they have for their clients and for themselves. I run an organization called Probity Consult, which does accounting and financial management. And at Probity Consult, we help entrepreneurs understand the need to keep their records in a manner that the business is able to have information for management decisions. We also ensure that your organization remains tax compliant as you go about your day business. So we take away the headaches of accounting and bookkeeping from you to ensure that you focus on the things that you need to serve your customers and your clients. Feel free to reach out to me directly or through the Sandbox or any of the other Sandbox experts. Karibu Sandbox.